Hey guys, welcome to EthanTube, and I said EthanTube, and
Michael's 2.0.
And Dylan 2.0.
Yeah, he sucks. Okay, today's review, I'm gonna be doing a review. I said this on my morning vlog. I'm gonna be doing a review on this pocket knife. So, never mind. Okay, so it's red, silver in it. It has, you can hear that. Sorry. Has a little clip at the end. And it has scissors. It has a knife. Is this holding the knife out? Yeah. Wait. Need to try to take it out. This thing is like bottle cap opener, I think. Yeah.
For sodas.
Oh. Wait. Check out this stuff.
I want pancakes.
Okay, now this is like a saw.
It is a saw.
I know.
You said it's like a saw.
Let's see if this works. Just gonna see if we can do a tiny bit of damage. Okay. Okay, so yeah, it does do damage. We know that for sure.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, you just ruined the video. It did that. Right there. It trimmed right there. And Dylan, stop sticking your head in the way. That ruins the video. And now we got just a normal blade. So, stab, cut,
The box is already open.
or you could stab. Okay. And yes, I think this blade, yes, it's made in China. All the stencils are made in China. Okay, next on the other side, this is a big pocket knife, has a lot of screwdriver. Oh. This thingy-majig.
Bottle cap opener.
Wait, this is for wine bottles. Okay. Now in the middle we have this. And okay.
No, there's just like a nail.
That's a nail. Wait,
File.
file. Keep this one up. Wait, it's like there, it's a nail file. You can see that. Put that one down. Ouch. Okay. This thing, do you know what this is?
No.
Maybe you could stab it like this. Let me try that.
No. Not even a single damage. Go try that.
Okay, so yeah, this thing you could
Stab.
like this
Let me
and stab. Bam, 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 bam. Okay. And that's the same thing you could do with all of these. You could hold it that certain way, like this. You could, or you could put this one screwdriver. Just yeah. So hope you enjoyed. Where did you get this pocket knife?
I bought it like at Marshall's.
You could buy it at Marshall's.
It's like $6.99.
$6.99. This is not mine. It's his Knuckles 2.0's. Here it is. Put your fist into the camera. And, right there. The camera.